students. Now today we are going to discuss the topic magnetic field lines due to straight conductor carrying current. Magnetic field lines due to straight conductor carrying current. Means when current flowing through a straight conductor, then magnetic field lines will be produced around the conductor. Now how do you find out the direction? So we can find out the direction of magnetic field lines by the right hand thumb rule. So first we do one activity. We choose the magnetic field lines due to a straight conductor carrying current. For this, first we take a rectangular piece of cardboard. And make a small hole at its middle. Now we take a long piece of copper wire and pass through this small hole. Now the two free ends of this wire is connected with battery and key. Now we sprinkle iron filings over the horizontal cardboard. Now as we press this key, then the current will be flows from positive terminal of a battery to the negative terminal. So as we press the key and when we tapping this horizontal cardboard, then we will observe that the iron filings are arranged in a concentric circles around this current carrying straight wire like that. Now how do you find out the direction of magnetic field lines? If you place magnetic compass needle here, then you observe that the direction of north pole that will be in towards clockwise direction. If you place here, so from this activity what you conclude? If current passing through the straight conductor, then the direction of magnetic field lines will be in clockwise direction. What is the direction? Clockwise, like that. So we can find out the direction of magnetic field lines by placing magnetic compass needle. Now another is, that is right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule is used to find out the direction of magnetic field lines around the current carrying conductor. Now how do you find out the direction and what is the statement of this right hand thumb rule? Suppose this is a conductor, a straight conductor, and the direction of current is in upward direction. If we hold this current carrying conductor in right hand, if we hold this current carrying conductor in right hand in such a way that thumb points in the direction of current flowing through the conductor, then curl the four fingers around the conductor indicates the direction of magnetic field lines. So all if you see here, the direction of current that will be in the upward direction, and the direction of magnetic field lines, all if you see the direction, curl the finger, that is anti-clockwise direction. But when we invert this current carrying conductor, means if the direction of current is in downward direction, then curl the finger around the conductor, that gives the direction of magnetic field lines in clockwise direction. So what you conclude from this right hand thumb rule? If the direction of current is in upward direction, then the direction of magnetic field lines is in anti-clockwise direction. In this figure, in this activity, the direction of current is in downward direction. So what is the direction of magnetic field lines? That is clockwise direction. But if you reverse the direction of current by changing the polarity of a battery, then we will find that the direction of current will be in the upward direction and the direction of magnetic field lines around this current carrying conductor in anti-clockwise direction. So right hand thumb rule is used to find the direction of magnetic field lines due to current carrying through a straight conductor. Thank you.